for high Gyamfi news. Mema obibia akwaba. Latest hot enkwa era me de bremo na ansana ensebni nyina beba no. So when you subscribe ya bomori ya se over subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo fufro so na when you be here na wo ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memo afi yenhwe eye ensemo abeto yepono so inti eye sankobo ya ekoso mama yi
internal elections and matters arising. We say Bawumia your fulani branch champion say some to abandon the man domestic bondholders with your muka in full. Bawumia Abraham was he funded the Bawumia Campaign 2023 one when see the kura Kennedy Agyapong so rhetorics a whole lot. Yeah, two my way now we are 2 hours away.
Alaska, first of all, let me serve this notice. Very often when MPP an issue relating to a particular political party, banner can be a party no one can hona or can
that's right.
Party you be a bush in Japan. The very moment I'll be register political party, it becomes a public entity. And once the idea they say you once want to run for presidency, every single Ghanaian, whether being a member of the party or not, I will stake our vested interest in whatever that you do. So let us establish that you don't need to be a member of the NDC before you answer what can do more yet. And you don't need to be a member of the MPP and Sana. These are public entities. You have every right to assess, critique, praise, and do whatever. Because a public institution, the possibility of that institution, ever run Ghana, are possible. So Alaska, you must always be part of a discourse and making sure that particular institution, are credible. Say a beji minor de rania. Mabo minor form. So it is at the back of that, and I hear some of this analysis. Alaska, my culture said the MPP as a political party and your party are olusu power, and why not just obey the agenda matum. No. Because very often institution you go through such a cycle now. Babontia, your processes I will go through. Oba hospital na say obi busu ani wa your process be nipa no go through. You find a dabda.
Okay.
A grieving process. 2.3. Enti nipa no be he na o su kakra. Na watina hodi na I say no kra na nya no kra. Ba obi ho an watiem. Like na or no I could do baby and I accept it okay I feel them to mercy. So as a processor, if you don't allow the person to go through that process now, we are then on to recover. So that grieving process, there you go through. And this over here, obi or ben opa baby to us I want to me and soon open so soon as I want to me and soon I know when you that kind of way. So what will be that? Because what truncated process, you didn't allow yourself to go through the process. Sanity. And then when it comes to this election, my co-election, my lusu, my buffy, and as for them, what can I say? What had name I call wrong? You begin to accept them first. Okay. And son, what try so bet me a name a year. And again, it's not just about the political party, it's about the larger Ghanaian society because political party, no, now didn't in Ghana for so. Some bejiwatum acceptable and who say we are credible, integrity is on your part, everything is on your part because political party and to say banker marane or me interest yen and as for no. I how I bet me a conduct hono and about war public support to you. Anti political party be a lose power. These are some of the phases naturally you go through. But I have been monitoring the MPP ever since I hesitate power. My culture said the MPP has become more dangerous than when they were living in power.
Really?
Oh, yes. Because Alaska, at this point, some of the basic things like acceptance, going through the process, they've not. Because said last time I not have a conversation, the best thing to do after losing this power, and they say, we're making sure, you activate an internal process of restructuring, trying to rebridge, just make sure, near a fracture, you try to reconnect. Asabaya within party na as a vehicle no was so amana strong and sana what would a station a catch a man for say momra na momefro car meboa.
That's right.
Na car near car now kwaku accident. You've not repaired the car. Now what time station say man for mefro. Will anybody take it serious? No. So you need to repair the vehicle. Now a man for say oh vehicle no kota kotito gata men ra. ye hu se ye de akọ we ama ya fix ya bibia paint ya na foforo seat no kra no ye na foforo bibia ye okay enti se me kwatena ma ebetimi de me akọ akra ebetimi de me akọ Kumase then you do this thing to build public trust because trust in yanton public trust
we build it
yanton we build it
okay
you build to earn it and one nya sa niema we ya na bas na nam se sika pa wo paint no bas na koto amedema nra wo time ya ehu fin as for the coast station sa man for mefro na last Kenyan say ni be na akofro sa bas that's exactly what is happening within the MPP and you back ya bro mo ka say omo ye bottom up no I catch you say in a political sense it doesn't make sense anywhere always and always you know the entire way your friend saying bottom up ne say the entire bottom up ne say sa process na wo ye ni nyina so internal healing process o connect just to make sure so you build bridges at the ground part in the buy no for you to know say there are a lot of nsema or party no sa thank you to no mo ko na wie no mo twese wo amamfo ku amamfo
that's right
e kire say nsem gu from ho but leadership no nya o madwen say o be tackle problem then they flip the whole thing say the young start here soro mara from
ehona intiase be wo
exactly because you can see eba from na ye ntumi resolve that is a clear lack of leadership at the top. Because as leaders, you know, you need to engineer a way of making sure that this particular challenge, you know, who said challenge you because thank you to Okrana ye cop tanky amount for no. We are now dying to Kwana Mekuna, my was
I don't kill me to
exactly. So Alaska, and as a leader, you don't run away from a problem. So quickly, if you go up there, so Kwaku run it that presidential elections now. I know the day, you know, my Debia Meka, Akwasa was so when I see a fee. Now wash socks ya guso. Now we say me dem call from na say ba me socks no. We can use all the soap and the running water in the world. We need finish it at 9.
That's right.
That's exactly what the MPP is doing. And aside that, Alaska. Wow, what's in China? One who the MPP no, you have been told, and what to say? I say, oh, MPP there, a party of intellectuals, or more school Adorye, even though most of it was a lie.
That's right.
Because I have always believed, say, Obia school Adorye, Obi ni mongoma, Obia gimu bia, and yet kratane kasadede, Ubi wanoa. You should be able to leave it.
I was depicting
exactly. You should be able to leave. Education is something you leave. Young fat crata fear me do one dance and Sunday Agyapong so Alaska san our first degree and every or masters ubi people should know say masters and I say yes what's you they would him there by your crew had just a Kwabena Agyapong certificate ban sir
one MPP third vice national third vice also masters me sir
that masters there and I'll be the masters crowd there all kinds of masters so beside the masters because masters in there
one in education one in sociology
so Alaska party no say net here and individuals now are pop it up and run a minute yet to have a program because I mean none of them and I encourage me and I say I don't see any presidential thing on any of them. Oh yes. Maybe Bawumia one person you might want to cut him some slack because he has been a vice president before and yes, we can argue as to whether he's competent or he's not competent. But competence is subjective, and a relative, depending on how you see it. Exactly. So for him, you can cut him some slack. But you see, Alaska, Obeda sorry na Kennedy Agyapong niye. Obeda sorry, you say your friends are Bawumia Campaign niye.
That's right.
Obeda sorry, Adutwim niye.
Adutwim
was a fine. Alaska. Already, Obin to for Nka Pentecost and the Bianca Babuano. For a lot of things, and me I'm told say open nipa ba ko ayese ne yam ye a obo amamfo a ayo no a obiara ne strength obiara ne de but no obiara ne cut for presidential material. Somebody told me about what Kennedy Agyapong did for him he's good when it comes to those things and there are a lot of things obetimi aye yes businessman betimi wo adwuma na so but Alaska the presidency is a different ball game altogether. And no sometimes and dwell so much about even knowledge level it's personality in focus. Alaska the gentleman unfortunately for him was saying no that in the past Kennedy Agyapong obi na bro or no na bro was saying no in the past and you heard the oye in the year he's pretending say no just a sharp detour from Niamana or Yena, but be when who assassin critically you see say he's just pretending.
Wow.
Go Alaska. Tena radio so threatening a man for some Mahama Asiedu Nketia yan kwashi omodan.
That's right.
Omo yo mbebu omo. Afia so senega pictures in na se fonyo no security here. So no na kan yo no kra. Ametwale. O so the picture to abonten wa obechi no ne premises bi aboro na bagisika.
That's right.
Ne premises no ba bia o Medina. Medina na yebo abrante no kun no. 2.3. Obianka so ne kun ba Alaska. Senka Ghana a serious country. One way or the other, you can say Okahubi because I'm as well and Anas yo Obiakra anymore. How many people knew the identity? But if you put it out there and few months after the gentleman get killed, now Alaska we crowd here we say temperament is one thing. Kennedy Agyapong is not somebody ubetimi not say I have intellectual discourse. And kwamana ebeya tem the DNA insult and you go back to Adom Bedem. The various engagement on a man for have yeah. As a president, you know, you see, you'll be having a lot of discussion, that kind of way with people. And it's not always now idea now what can be saying true. And see, wherever there is a clash, you know, how do you handle yourself as a person?
That's right.
Integrity, personality, temperament, composure. These are some of the key attributes. When you're president, people might want to see how demonstrate you live it. You do these things to inspire. Your leadership is not just about you. You must inspire a larger number of people out there because our life will not ever a trade amount for a so. And yeah. But Alaska, we have a public profile now go through what there is nothing about it. Ubetimiaka say you see any sign of your friends a presidency and as anything president.
It's on your presidential material.
Now what tell me beside presidential material? Alaska, let's get serious. And America say you see the aura of respect surrounding your presidency, you know, has been so cheapened, so it's broken because of the Akufo Addo and internet. Obi asore onye sika was meeting the president. Na na me catch you obi say unya usika why are there? Those who celebrate you will celebrate you. You can build all the upper crack or toys go on and phobia on Nakoto University of Ghana. Me and business. But Alaska, the fact is that presidency is a different ball game altogether. It comes with a whole lot. And yes, you can amena mabome bra. And run a make catch you be say, Kwame Nkrumah Ghana, no, not the bag about cope any nitin or the buy.
That's right.
Ne bag you any niti and or the buy. All by no better professors and doctors or more UGCC. I who is about boy that's smart man. But Ghana foresaw something in him. And I far beyond those who were having the PhD, blah 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 blah, and as for they saw something in him, even though no nika pre the bag or the buy. General Secretary na no yere boso mi so na won pekwanse mi no mo de amano. But Nkrumah got so involved in the organization na se for duru abi hu say baby a na ema koi ideology and Nkrumah we wo kra no ene me de en align and me having the opportunity to engage the people no I know say I can do things differently. Lo and behold, the gentleman got power and prove to be as indeed knowledge, wisdom, and vision. Na obi otimi chart a new path for Ghana. Kwame Nkrumah was able to leave a legacy a transcending beyond generation. Is the reason why me not here can wasn't about money.
That's right.
But in recent time, because he monetized the entire political landscape, you know, obi akoda soro konye ni sika. As to whether sika no kwan fa so nya no, I'm not going into that particular line. But Alaska, I'm saying say money has nothing to do with it. Should never be a motivation and incentive for be say me person me the president because my bomb me branya me sika. Na no na me catch her when check that pop up. Almost on there when ye ni bibia wie na onhia hwe. Alaska me say obi ba won chamber catch us my bomb me bra wie me nhia hwe a. Me akurase hene kura me mfa ma no.
Akurase hene.
Oh yes. The reason is simple. Wabon ne branya we so wanya ni sika nyina we has nothing to lose. You need to give power to Obia. Amamo no obebu no. If something goes wrong, he has everything to lose.
If something goes wrong,
he has everything to lose.
Okay.
And what did to me come Obia? Assemblea, he has nothing to lose. Maybe you don't get the point I'm making, Alaska.
No.
What did to me come? Obi ba catch us say, oh, Fatumi mame. Na me de Miami bibia wie. na say niema nkoye kura mama I have nothing to lose. You need to give power to somebody our stake wo man no mu na say if one money na bibi go wrong or also will suffer certain irreparable consequences. So that all of you know you have something in that will force him and motivate the person to do it right.
And to be protected.
Exactly. Now if you have nothing to lose, that's and we be say I say your friend is saying retirement will be now Udi Babedi.
That's right.
Governance, politics, leadership, presidency. It has nothing to do with those things. And to a ban also born a better we are. Kurase kwaje wana no magro. Because you have everything. Go and enjoy. Those of us are yendi share, no. Let us think and build the country. I bet me give you hope, inspire the next generation. So it's not so this whole money argument, you know, it's a non-starter. It's so childish and so infantile, and people who float it, you know, are so gullible-minded to the sense that they don't even know, sir. They are ridicule themselves in terms of your friends saying being knowledgeable or being intelligent. So I'm saying, sir, if you have something to provide there, Alaska, you must be rich in ideas. You must be rich in personality.
Wow.
You must be rich in temperament. And your president or radio so did a man for them, di matem, ya can't seem to China not to feel quiet, maybe more, maybe turn from Yamuan 104, Yanxiang 104, Yanxia man for dying. Temperament is everything because Alaska, by your president is the mind that I shall say, my country is president of Africa, the only thing I want to me, and it's over Casa Ma and quite me matolity, so now a man quite matol, the Aka be a bit to me.
That's right.
You can even take somebody's life. Because say you could do what some no to me manipulate court near Buakum for the president can sign a warrant for you to be killed.
Exactly.
So a very sensitive position. Ya the man and say nipa not general on your erratic. Nipa emotionally no on your rider and the bufua akwas obi on na yiri fie ne bufo timi bu bot TV ne na sefo nyina a tifri na nusu pe no no akobo bosia se akoto TV foforo. Is that the kind of person you want to be president? Alaska, let's get serious in this country.
Among the Sian nipa maku be 5 se so ma ko pick no omunya presidential
me the nipa ba ko ananka ebe ye me depa se nko betimi ayi nanim aye sa adani mo
adani mo chere
good ene Boakye Agyarko.
That's right.
These two gentlemen usia na nyobi na beka. So I don't know say minim I say you say he who the gods want to destroy and they first make you mad. Because I don't understand why MPP the way cover over the years will get to a point that these characters and the popular obi to say Bawumia Campaign Alaska. Bawumia Campaign Kennedy Agyapong, they are coming from the same corridors. Violence.
Okay.
Violence. Now Alaska, our president are all violent tendencies. Will you ever be comfortable? So would fear man cannot cry.
Some president, no.
President and the buffo to me bone obi asumne na se for no kana. Aye the army ni nyina asha so the police asha ne so no ono wasama. The besi ebi nie. You see, let's get serious. Alaska. I was
sign your death warrants.
Oh, Alaska, as our party, as our group no moody. Because I will hear obi to say Bawumia Campaign. I was West Wagon commission report a site no.
That's right.
Or can who be violent and about the liberty those hoodlums.
The boys are his boys.
Now it's not just his voice. There his rhetoric post abra onya to me, you know. Otchere you na better aka say omunya power or no, they will not hand over to NDC.
Emma Suda.
Onunya to me on hand better aka say these are cowards. Because Alaska say what Ghana your democracy near politics and I say we lose power and you be na beka wa na bedwane. They and I say Akufo Addo moving from Jubilee House. I didn't know and or hand power safwa. Yes.
So you said
I said it here.
That's right.
So me say cowards and making a lot of noise. And these guys talking, they are all cowards. Kennedy Agyapong cast of Munko Shia one for Yachi and the Yachi Biana for fan, and the channels in the BP aba. Yes. These are people they just talk wow. Or no Ankasa is a coward. Bawumia Campaign was threatening Ghana for so no to me na deben. Suddenly, also you're billionaire.
That's right.
No, on the finance Bawumia Campaign. Now, Alaska, in any serious democratic dispensation where you have a very resilient and robust financial intelligent organization, now you shall see them profile how these people got the so-called money that they have.
Serious.
Nipa no hu no unhu ade a oton unhu de or sell it. Unhu campaign that will be our for nipa all of a sudden the person will tell you say, I'm a billionaire. Government contract. Oh, government contract. Now Alaska, so I'm going for matter na me a businessman. Oh, your man government contracts supply your friends say air conditioning or government offices supply lights here.
Why not? And at the same taxpayers here, musika you do you turn out to say
and the same person will come and tell us who you hear ni.
I say Akwebi ban ho na natadi I'm poshe impobobi I swear God.
Yeah, so and you see what people don't know, that vulgar arrogance, disrespect these people have for the ordinary people. You've listened to his interview several times. Look at how I orchestrate a span and a spare on individuals. Oh, just obunipa tantan be say just a class of people be more be like because they don't have money. Alaska Makacha say unless you are dumb, democracy and you see kind of ye. And you're rich in ideas.
Ivan, I'm going to say yeah, Kennedy.
They will buy one more bed to Papa Menfau, who shoot yet Menfau, Guardian. Oh, and you're on Nabubia. Tierney because Obia won't to attack the Papa and say. Obey then what you hear you be my son soon now the Papa. I'm a but Mukura Michiro. Obi Basa Minko Forson President Akufo Addo DC. Obaye anopatutu uhwe aswe God bi odubaye. Na uhwe belt no a I say apa say. Edidi na mbisa no one question. Say into wo Upako
FM 92.3.
And the Obi a would neko president or no dress here. Watimi ayede aba no ku should know said the state and nipa no wom.
That's right.
Alaska, sometimes you see if you are reasonable, you'll be very empathetic. Obi a no what promises I would neko president ho. Na na dress you watimi ye buy and say the bet ya papa ya. That is the best nipa no. And what else? Yes, you can say but nipa no if you believe our depth knowledge then as the for no man. And you'll be a dasher no copy of PAO. Alaska, how many individuals no more America could treat taxi on my baby billionaires or Ghana? Ah? Nipado do say now could treat taxis. Our America, buy your baby billionaires or Ghana. Brahman for a America be near. Alaska, Nina coming because government obia odo who be buying and when you sika are buying mu. That are buying sika be a Ghana for sika. And to win out don't talk anyhow to people. Respect people. But a minor who seek is our personal president, you know. About 80% here for. Or mine, 80% here for no more mine. But obviously, when I can't, I can't ask them. Here for who are proud.
That's right.
Here for stubborn proud for and Omugu Maimu. Because you know, Biana is wait me this car phone and then as for Obi had the state your womb, they are okay with that. But respect them as a leader. You can't be talking this. And upon all the public profile and good tendencies are what displayed in the past, and suddenly, no, he's just pretending that he's a new person. Like people, oh come on! When I see people falling for some of this nonsense, I feel pains in my belly. Alaska then, but champion someone I make catch it. Their course, you know. My catcher say emotional intelligence is another thing, and some of these guys have demonstrated. They don't even have it. At the time, the MPP are buying air struggle to build reputation for itself. Ghana for you know Akufo Addo so born the form here, change the form. I buy no white and tan. Ya koda sorry abra champion sorry free no ho say or no Bill Gates when Jessica. Bill Gates when Jessica a better hotel. Kwame hotel asi of Kwame Nkrumah pension. Ono na Jessica ne. Or better hotel na yi Ghana for free how mu. And that's come say. So we a leader, one thing I should be your strength. How to exercise positive discretion. Because you can have all the money in the world. The very moment I organize labor in Ghana for sorry, quickly now you need to back out. You don't even have to show yourself because you are part of the government, part of the establishment, part of the team. Now you ever conclude say yes, young to anasa young tono. Common sense allow you and I make say you have no school, no mean nipa kusia school. Alaska, me, if I'm teaching people, I'll focus on how to train people to become highly intelligent, emotionally intelligent. Not just about school semo, not about book semo, but how we dealing with individuals, because every transaction there is the human aspect of it.
That's right.
You must always be appealing to the psyche and the minds of people out there. I will prove it to them that indeed you are intelligent, you are smart. Koto Ghana for hotel. And Sadia na kan hobi kra na man for there before to take Akufo Addo sa outcome in the no. And aside that, and then now we china way or now we yen handy over and say for them. And then ana me catch say senka Ghana is serious awa and ka obi to say Kennedy Agyapong ne Bawumia Campaign and ken ne. Alaska be a crank and some no more kasa free. And now you investigate your because of a name akoso okroma, because Anas a mess swallow issue no, it's not issue between me brushing aside. I am not saying that he's responsible. And I'm like a win yen senior war no assem at the assembly bro. Na Alaska cannot club, but that's why I saw President Kennedy Agyapong. Only MPP for you, Sama. Or see me was secret, me could release it.
That's right. I'll bring the whole MPP down.
Alaska, Obama can send me. First day by American president, no. He got exposed to a certain truth that he was shocked to the marrow. Wow. We are president of America, Alaska. There are a lot of things that we don't know, but we don't know brief you. And you be brief your president. No, binya say I catch us the national security. Somebody who cannot even be trusted.
That's right.
I say your friend say I want set MPP for app na wo Dubai no. Or buy an MPP for penny for friend the cotton them say Kwaku Adwuma wo na atimi yo nti.
Na ono na yire ada.
Ono na yire ada na mo friend no. Enti tisim. Now if you can be manipulated, tisim na wo tisim go anim as panyini we ya that kind of cry. Na Ghana for metam president mba. Enya grow na wo ani so.
That's right.
And then your friend said the last time I make Kwabena Agyapong asem. Kwabena Agyapong, yes, he marks all the boxes in but Alaska in recent times he's not somebody who is reliable. Oh, he has proven say because in some more kind nyina chi no we are no nam. I said I'm for Mahamadu Bawumia. Okay.
That's right.
After destroying, branding the person, say, oh, you're highly incompetent. Yes, you can say the same party. Well, Alaska. And quickly, no. Yes, you're the same party. Or say Bawumia incompetent. When you manage your man, omonto abenti and omonto mano. Then immediately after elections, you know, then you come in and say, oh, Bawumia is the best, omonto mano. Then when you know mulusu ya no, what's yamba? Bawumia is incompetent.
That's right. So it's all about their interest.
It is about personal interest. Now me catch out anytime you ever take Kennedy Agyapong till ready to 30 MB, it's about him.
As any bibiakam.
Ni bibiakam. And I am mama juma. And I am me say. And I'm a contract. And I say, what the ban or about Okasama Ghana neither average Ghanaian. What to be that? It's always about him. San it's here. Sir, it has always been about him. And Alaska, I remember Bawumia so.
That's right.
But Bawumia there, and American no, you can cut him some slack because he has been your friend saying vice president before. So as to whether he's a presidential material or not, I mean to be on your presidential material because he's been president before. Or your vice president.
That's right.
But I see, the major issue has to do with competence.
Okay.
Because I would see somehow catch a Ghana for say or manage economy for. We are for 4 good years, but we couldn't mention the word economy anywhere. We are also an ICT teacher on the internet by Ghana, mobile money interoperability. Right. Alaska, oh friend is CEO besides papa. Now digital infrastructure by now he cannot even mention a single one. Economy now, you're the sharing sano. But yes, so dirty to the sense that in the whole of in the political history of this country after independence, you know. Ghana economy and your dirty sir under so-called economists.
That's right.
The cedi became the worst performing currency in the world. Inflation was hovering around 54. These guys were turned Bank of Ghana into a printing press on daily basis. They were printing cash. We were banned from the commercial space because your track record these are the realities. Then DDEP you sentence pensioners to their death. Wow. And now Bawumia Campaign themselves about Bawumia and I make us say they are living in a different world. I'm not sure said the cost of Ghana Caribbean he's aware. Is he aware that Mahama has started paying people? Yes. That the second payment was released last week?
But he was a cabinet minister. Or a cabinet minister where these decisions to say were taken.
And I make us a politics, you know, to some of them I are growing moody. And for me, Alaska, whenever I'm talking about national issues, I don't see it as politics.
That's right.
I take it like some personal way, because it should be development oriented. I will be able to benefit me. I don't care whether the person is NDC or MPP.
Right.
But these people, no, as some all kind of clearly say, they are also Ghana. He doesn't even know what is happening. Got payment now, Mahama through honor. I feel Ghana into Mahama and Gyamfi, and I'm trying to 2025, 2028. Or no betia.
As him redudu MPP beba power no betia. Redudu.
He doesn't even know what he's talking. And American, these are people. They've gotten access to cheap money. Oh yes. They've gotten access to one nine million Honda. Say obinye says sika when yana for. Enti na sika no make say wo fa kwamo wo amfa kwampapa so na wunya sika nyankopon be kira ma wo so ahye na to agu na nka body e ka so pe president adi o nya kana kora nya dam na wo tima Greek minister bia obesen ko yi say o pe president adi yes sika no wunya nyame be kira kwan fa so obehye na na akọ because 4.6 million Ghana cedis omukoti ese nye sika ketwa what does na make na say so Alaska Bawumia nsam na o kan ye ni nyina no he couldn't deliver the economy became so dead so the question say na wabai e de ben na wo the alternative no de wo he a obeka kire Ghana mo so nto abama wo it's not as if you didn't get Akufo Addo present you say oh ba because we economic messiah our proven track record now brandy na Massachusetts University no nam Central University branded Mahama ne running mate say communicator and literature teacher there omu nim hwe enne communicator and literature teacher no in 6 months atimi stabilize the city amana be one of the best performing currencies na Alaska it means omu so moye bi Ahoto FM economic management now bobo jamba for hwan hey Alaska and I make this kind of rhetorics in a chamo.
I born a tough and camera.
And to me, Alaska, the point I'm making is MPP don't realize where they are. So, party our opposition, you appear dirty in the eyes of the people. No, you might want to present candidate. Sabi, wow, monima. Ubenya hutosobi, ewo, nipanumu se oh, Boakye Agyarko, a day anymore. And let me tell you, there are a lot of credible individuals within the party.
Oh, that's right.
Very credible individuals. But I didn't buy money crassy. Sikana yede yes man omu nibi. So ya package omu nyina ko good way. And I think going forward, so Ghana must also focus on how to build the next line of leaders. That is the problem. And that Kabrani Sika, they don't care about building, helping Obio. It is about me, myself, and my family. And a minor will be in deficit and across the political divide to a near. Ubisan say who is likely to be the next president of this country? Utu you don't see any leader. And on answer me will across the political divide. Utu who know? Because Obian consciously no shall prepare obi. And I know that they were benya sika be quiet for benya sika be there. Then your mind that in there. Alaska, I think we need to get serious.
All right, that was Ivan Che Innocent.
Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. But don't forget to share the video to all platforms. I'll see you in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.